Namaste everyone, this is Madhuri here from Madhuri Yoga, and today we will learn how to do Utkatasana or the chair pose. So this asana is a very good test of your knees and your ankle strength. So ideally we start Utkatasana from Samasthiti. Keep your legs together. Raise your hands up above your head into Namaskara Mudra, and slowly bend your knees down, bring your hips down. Make sure your upper body is straight. Now tilt your head down and check if your knees are crossing your feet. Ideally, your knees should not be crossing your feet, because if it crosses, your entire body weight would go on your knee and it would cause unnecessary injuries and pains in your knee. So if you feel your knee is crossing this way, push your hip backwards and ensure your knee comes behind your foot. Let's slowly exit from the pose. Bring your hands down and slowly straighten your knees. Now, as a beginner, if you feel difficulty in holding the asana, you can try to keep your legs a little bit apart. At least have a gap of 5 to 6 inches between your feet, and that will give you a perfect balance. As well as, if you feel difficulty in raising your hands up, you can hold your elbows in the front like this. Let's slowly exit from the pose, bring your hands down and come back to Samasthiti. Utkatasana is very good to strengthen your knees and ankles. It also straightens your spine. I hope you found this video useful. If you haven't already, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you want to get in touch with me and know more about my classes, check the links below. Be kind, be present, be grateful. Happy practice. Namaste.